Tell me about the wolf.
The wolf goes down there. Want to see, Mommy? Let me see.
I'm not done. I'm videoing you. Tell me about the wolf. How big is it?
Here's like this. A big wolf. Down there.
Is it a nice wolf or mean wolf?
A mean wolf.
What will it do?
Here's what down there. He was mean. He was scratching them.
Did you see him?
No. He was down there, big, sleepy, tiny wolf.
Oh, there's a little tiny wolf sleeping.
And there's a baby down there, too.
A baby what? Baby wolf?
Yes. He was down there. And he was missing her mama.
Who told you all this?
I did.
Oh, you saw it?
Yes.
Oh.
Are you pretending?
He's been down there. He lives down there to our house.
Is he pretend?
No. He doesn't lie. He doesn't lie.
Oh, he's alive.
He got legs and claws. He was mean. And the what? Ah! That he sounds like.
That's what he sounds like?
Yes.
Yeah.
He was mean. And he was Grandma's soccer. And he would eat it. Oh.
Go kick it.
I could go